The other night I made some veggie patties and they were so good. Crunchy, chock full of veggies. We got chickpeas in here, Brussels sprouts, beans, peas, corn. It's just good, good, good. And I need for you to make this. You sure you want some? You want some? Okay, maybe just look. Nah, I think I'll take it. Honey, you have got to make these delicious veggie patties. Let me show you how. So you mix together all your good veggies. I cooked mine down just a little bit just to get all the water out. And then I made a little batter with a few handfuls of breadcrumbs. You could totally do it without the breadcrumbs. But I added breadcrumbs with this, and then when you flip it, look how pretty. Yes, and it's held together so well, but all of our green and orange and yellow vegetables are just popping through. Take it out of that grapeseed oil, and then you can use a tahini dipping sauce. You can make your own yum yum. Make sure you check out Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen Live so you can watch the show as I make this dish from start to finish. Sugar Pearls, it's food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.